a heaven of eco-friendly luxury nestled in the heart of Sri Lanka's Central Highlands. Welcome to the Bridgeview Cabin, where nature meets comfort in perfect harmony. Branded as an eco-friendly resort, this enchanting two-story cabin is your gateway to an unforgettable experience. If you are yearning for an escape to nature at its best, magnificent waterfalls, evergreen mountain ranges, mild weather, delicious food, top-notch hospitality, and a homely atmosphere, the Bridgeview Cabin is your ideal sanctuary. Perched atop the Central Highlands, this eco-resort offers a mesmerizing view of the Norton Bridge Reservoir, ensuring you wake up to a breathtaking mountain view. Hi, we are on a two-day tour to Central Highlands. We have stopped by this nice, beautiful place. You can see right behind me. So we are on a two-day tour. We are going to explore 2 waterfalls and a couple of more other attractions as well. So we are going to stay in a very special place called the Bridgeview Cabin. We are in Central Highlands now. So this is where we are going to stay, the Bridgeview Cabin. This is an eco-friendly resort located in Norton Bridge, a small town in the Central Highlands. Welcome to Bridgeview Cabin. This is located in a small town called Norton Bridge. And if you are coming from Colombo, this is 113 kilometers east from Colombo. And if you are coming from the airport, it's only 110 kilometers southeast. Step inside and relax in the inviting living area, complete with comfortable chairs, where you can unwind and recharge after a day of exploration. And you will find warm water facilities, ensuring your comfort during your stay. Each floor boasts 2 bathrooms, one with a refreshing shower and another without. The cozy bedrooms welcome you with 2 double beds, promising a restful night's sleep amid the soothing sounds of nature. Step out onto the balcony to savor the breathtaking view of the Norton Bridge Reservoir and the picturesque mountains, creating the perfect backdrop for your stay. Tea and coffee making facilities are at your fingertips, ensuring you stay energized throughout your adventure. Indulge your taste buds in the restaurant-like area, offering a delectable array of meals and drinks that celebrates the local flavors and culinary delights. But our journey doesn't end at the Bridgeview Cabin. On our first day, we explored the stunning Laksapana waterfall, just 9 kilometers southeast from the cabin. Standing tall at 126 meters, it's the 8th highest waterfall in Sri Lanka and ranks 625th in the world. PM, we are able to leave the waterfall. We don't feel like leaving this, but we have to leave. The second day led us to the majestic Aberdeen Falls, a mere 6 kilometers north of the cabin. Lasita, why do you need a stick? Mukada polla kone? Polla kone then. Enakota nang one wenawa. Oh, aniwaryen one wenawa ithin. This 98-meter wonder is ranked as the 18th highest waterfall on the island. In conclusion, if you're seeking an eco-friendly retreat surrounded by nature's wonders, impeccable hospitality, and home away from home, make the Bridgeview Cabin your next destination in Sri Lanka's Central Highlands. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell and share this with your friends. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video.
Sas